Hello and welcome to today's attendance lesson. The date today is Tuesday, September 1st. Okay, basically I'm just checking out three things. I'm checking out some technology things to make sure that one, you can get into Schoology Messenger and you can message me back and forth with that. So in Schoology Messenger, I am going to be sending you some information that you're going to need in order to take your Schoology quiz. So your Schoology quiz is going to be 3 questions. The first question is going to be, what is my favorite color? The second one is going to be, what is my favorite sport to watch? And the third question is going to be, what is my favorite food? So one of those I'm going to answer at the end of this video. And the other one you're going to get from checking your Hastings apps email. And the other one is going to be from you checking Google or checking your Schoology Messenger, checking that envelope. So as a reminder, tomorrow, Wednesday, September 2nd, we are going to be doing a Zoom for hours 1, 3, and 5. So your schedule should have been sent out to you. So remember, if you check in your class, whatever hour you have, at the top for my class for math is that link that you will need to join any Zoom. So remember to join that at the top. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow in the Zoom lesson. All right, we are at the end of what we're going to cover for today. So remember to go check your Hastings apps for one question and your Schoology Messenger for the other. And right now I'm going to answer the question as to what is my favorite color. My favorite color is blue, B-L-U-E. Have a wonderful day and looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.